Hello friend, Namaste. I'm going to now show you how to install the Light of KP Astrology Lokpa software on Windows 11. Yes, our software is also compatible with the recently launched Windows 11, and if you want to upgrade your computer system to Windows 11, you can do that first and then buy our software, and it is going to run on your upgraded Windows 11. I'm going to show you in this video how you can install the Lokpa software on a computer system which is running the Windows 11. First, we need to disable the antivirus software or the internet security software. This is because many antivirus and internet security softwares, they try to consider any other program which may have a different type of file extension as a virus. Although there is no virus in any such softwares which have a SSL certificate, but many antivirus companies and antivirus softwares sometimes miss on these and flag it as having some virus. So it will not let you install. Now, what you are going to do, it's a very simple step. Follow what I'm showing you now. You are going to go and click on this arrow icon which says show hidden icons, and then you will click on McAfee and change setting. So you will click on change setting and then real-time scanning. As you will see on my computer, it is already turned off. Real-time scanning is off. So I'm turning it on right now. Okay. Now what you will do is when you will switch on and you will go to this screen, McAfee, you may have a different antivirus, so you will have to go to your real-time scanning window. So here is McAfee. So real-time scanning, if I click on turn off, it will ask me for how long do I want the antivirus to be turned off. So I will select when I restart my PC. Next time when I restart my PC, antivirus is going to automatically start. But for the time being now, it is going to be switched off because I'm going to install the Light of KP Astrology software. So I'm clicking turn off. And as you can see here, it is shown real-time scanning is now off. Now, once this is over, we need to download the Light of KP Astrology software. You would have already got the link to download the setup exe of the software, the tutorial videos, and the installation guide after you have purchased this software. So I'm going to the download section, and here is the setup exe. I'm right clicking and then selecting download. So you might get this message from Windows, that is from mainly from Google, but you need not worry. It's a large file, 265 megabyte file, so Google is not going to scan it for you. So it just asks you download anyway. You click yes, download anyway. Now it will ask you where to save. So what you can do is you can save on download, or the best is you save it on desktop. Okay, so I click on desktop and here is the exe file name, so I say save. Okay, so now I'm clicking on save. So now it is downloading, almost it's over. I have a very high speed internet, so now you can see it is showing that download is over. So what I'll do is I'm going to minimize this. Now here you can see the Light of KP Astrology software which has been already downloaded. Now a very important step you must do. Please don't forget to do this step for very good installation. You select Light of KP Astrology, normal mouse click, then right click on it, and this is Windows 11. Okay, so it is going to be different than Windows 10. You go all the way below to show more options, click show more options, then all the way down below click properties, and you see over here there is a small box called as unblock. So Microsoft, even though you have downloaded the setup exe, it has kept the exe blocked, so it will be difficult for you to install. So you click this unblock and then click apply. Now the block has been removed by Microsoft, and then click OK. Now as this is Done. You are now going to install the Lokpa software. So all you do is click once again, then right click, run as administrator. So you click run as administrator. It will show you this screen. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You will click yes, and this is the setup installer window that is going to come on your screen. You will click next. You will agree with the license agreement, otherwise you cannot install. So I click agree. Now it is asking me for the product key. The license has already been sent to you in your email. So you will copy it from your email, and here is a license key, and you are going to control C, just control C, or you can right click and also do copy. Once this is done, your license is copied, and you will go over here, click your mouse and do control V, and your license is shown over here. Okay, next you are going to click next. So it is asking you where to install it. So which it's better to always install in the C drive, and it will automatically take the folder which is the best path. So you don't have to make any changes unless you are a computer expert. You don't need to make any changes. Simply click install, and the installation is happening now. So it will take maybe a minute or two for the entire setup to be done, extraction and then creation of files. It's an artificial intelligence enabled software, so it's a heavily loaded software. So we will wait for a few more seconds. And as you can see, installation, if you do it step by step, it will be a very easy installation and there will be no problem with it at all. So it's almost coming to an end of installation now. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this software a lot, because this is one of the finest software in the world today for doing Krishnamurti Paddhati astrology. A lot of Swiss ephemeris calculations have gone in, Swiss ephemeris formulas are used. So it's one of the perfect software when it comes to identification of bhavas and the sublog. Now, what you need to do is another important step. It is now asking you to finish. What you will do is you will uncheck the first one. You don't run the KP astrology software right now because you need to restart your computer. Okay, so you will uncheck the first box and then you will click finish, and you will see a desktop shortcut is going to be created on my screen right now. So I'm clicking finish, and here is the desktop shortcut created. Okay, I'm keeping it beside over here. You can see this. Now I will be stopping my recording because I am going to restart my computer, Windows 11. So I go over here to this icon, click on the start button, then I click over here power button, and I say restart. I can shut down and then manually restart. So my recording is going to stop, and then I'm going to resume my recording. Okay, so I have restarted my computer. Now we will run the Lokpa software. So all you will have to do is, here is your Lokpa software icon. The shortcut is already there on the desktop, and you will double click it, and then Lokpa software will start. For the first time, it will take a little extra time to get launched. So we will wait for that time. So once the software launches after a little bit of time, because it is for the first time that the software is getting launched, it will give you this disclaimer window. And in fact, every time the software starts, there is a disclaimer that you should accept. Once you click accept, it is going to take you to this screen, and you will be able to start your software. So this was the installation instruction for Windows 11. I wish you all the very best with the Light of KP Astrology software doing KP Astrology. Good luck.